det var inte er som stängde. Kolla nu eller? Kan jag stänga er?
Oh! Bye bye sunshine. Yes, so today I'm gonna unbox this slime from...
No, you're not gonna unbox any slime in the car.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Nej, du får inte röra slimet.
Okay. But okay, so today I'm gonna
how is the car thumbs up or thumbs down or
thumbs up.
yes.
Thumbs up.
Is it nice behind there?
Yes. So today we're gonna do this video.
Okay, can I take it again?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
I gotta see what kind of automatic.
Dad, this is good for your for your fans.
Yes.
For your fans. Yes, so this car is really good, but I don't like cars, so Dad! Here is the camera.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And I have automatic cruise control on, I believe. Or no, I put it off. Now it's going down to 0. Incredible.
This car was really good.
And now we have cruise control.
What? How do you say no? No. This car was really good. Så han bara, no. What? Facepalm.
And now it's complete on battery power. Incredible.
So, today we're gonna riding in this car, and
Everything all right there behind there? And Tindra, don't take up that slime in the car. Eller ta inte upp slimet. Tindra.
okay.
Får stänga den. Oh. So you want open? Maybe we should open here for the back for your.
Yes. Can you open this? Ella, car. Oh, Snapchat. Du måste ha lite så här. Vänta, vi måste köra den. Det var med nu. Jag kan inte hålla sig. Det är så...
Complete hybrid power.
Jo, pappa gör det.
Hej, jag filmar lite.
Yes, we know. But...
Yes. Probably autonomous steering as well.
Like this video if hur säger man?
And
like this video and subscribe and yes.
Ella, kan du filma texten på ditt nackstöd med den här?
Yes, I can.
Du kan läsa det står också.
Turbo 5.
Nej, Turbo S.
Aha. Turbo S. Yes, so like this video if...
Men även till Ella, vi hänger med.
Eller du sa farfar. Nej, farväl. Jag tror att du sa farfar.
Just det, Tinder jag öppnar. Aha. Gorgeous. Panamera Turbo S. With a charging pack.
Vi går över gatan.
Okej, ja, då kommer jag. I'm impressed. Vänta där, tjejer. So, this is all for now.